Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Thermostat Kit Bjwa For Southbend part number 11747009. The Thermostat Kit Bjwa For Southbend part number 11747009 is a replacement part for Southbend ovens. It is a complete kit that includes the thermostat, mounting bracket, and screws. The thermostat is designed to regulate the temperature of the oven and maintain a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. The kit also includes instructions for installation and maintenance. This part is designed to fit Southbend ovens and may not be compatible with other brands or models. This part fixes the following symptoms. This thermostat kit is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning thermostat in Southbend ovens. It can help to restore the oven's temperature control and ensure that it is operating at the correct temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the instructions that come with the thermostat kit, and make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. 2. Turn off the power to the furnace before beginning installation. 3. Remove the existing thermostat from its mounting plate and disconnect all wiring from it. 4. Install the new thermostat mounting plate in its place using screws or other fasteners as necessary. 5. Connect the wiring to the new thermostat according to the instructions provided with it, making sure to match up each wire color with its corresponding terminal on TH. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.